If I asked you what trachoma was, would you know? Probably not, as the infection has been wiped out in the developed world. Well, that is all developed countries besides Australia, where it's still at endemic levels according to the Fred Hollows Foundation. Trachoma is a disease that results in eyelashes gradually turning inwards, scraping the cornea, rendering it opaque, which can result in blindness over time. In 2014, the Sydney Morning Herald reported that 25% of children between the ages of 5 and 15 in Katherine have some form of active trachoma. This eventually leads to statistics such as Aboriginal adults being 6 times more likely to be blind than their non-Indigenous counterparts, according to the Courier Mail. So why is this still a problem in Australia? There are countless small contributors to this issue, but through my research, behavioural hygiene habits are at the crux of the problem. The World Health Organization believes regular face washing is the most important preventative measure. So how do we encourage face washing? If you want to encourage behavioural change, the best tactic, I believe, is to make the activity fun. Introducing Croc Wash. The Croc Wash is a fun, simple, durable and versatile face washing system. Taking a character of its own, kids put their heads into the jaws of a cartoon crocodile, which is not only attractive but ties in the product to the region it's servicing. Installed primarily in schools, the aim is to develop correct face washing habits at a young age before vision loss becomes an issue. It's also well known that habits form most successfully before kids enter their teen years. It's funny that a region such as the NT suffers poor clean water access, as in the north of the state, rainfall is some of the highest recorded anywhere in the country. The Croc Wash attaches itself to existing infrastructure in the form of rainwater tanks to solve this issue, and in the meantime contributing to the product being self-sustaining. The use of a ball valve protects the Croc Wash from calcification issues all too common in the area. The rotomoulded head is made from nylon with UV stabilisers mixed in to combat the extreme sun in the area, while the scooped basin is comprised of stainless steel and uses gravity to push water down the drain, creating a smooth surface that doesn't allow water residue to gather between uses. The radial dotted pattern of the drain is another nod to the area and people it's intended to serve, with a gentle likeness to traditional Aboriginal painting styles. Finally, the silicone handle creates a multi-sensory experience for the kids, as the ridges mimic the scales of a crocodile's body, while also improving the operational grip strength, which is important in such age group. In conclusion, as an Australian, it is not only sad to see parts of our community suffer, but in the case of trachoma, almost embarrassing that we still face these problems in 2017. Let's not force a solution onto anyone. Let the solution be a combination of easy habitual steps. The solution is so easy, so let's make trachoma history in this country, and with the help of the Croc Wash, I believe we can.